Have you got 20 minutes each weekday that you could allocate to making money, to making a passive income and generating wealth for you and your family? If the answer is yes, then Trendsignal can provide you with an award-winning investment and trading strategy with a 15-year track record for success. Look, there are two things that you need to know about our trading strategies. Number one is that they're extremely simple to implement. And number two, all you need to do is follow a few rules. Oh, and as for the results, our end-of-day trading strategies average around 1,000 pips profit per month over the last 6 years. So if you're just trading at £3 a point, at 1,000 pips profit a month, that's £3,000 of profit, income, capital growth that you're looking at. That's not a bad return from just 20 minutes per day, is it? You see, I want to teach you the exact rules for my sniper trading strategy at one of my live upcoming trading webinars. You see, at these webinars, I'm going to teach you the exact rules behind opportunities just like these. Like this short signal here on the Dow and like this buy signal here on the Dow. We can apply it to FX, we can apply it to stocks, commodities, indices, it doesn't really matter. What we're looking for here and what we're going to teach you is a strategy that can allow you to extract profit from the markets from following a rules-based approach to trading. And if you'd like to learn those rules, complete the form on this page. Pop in your details, select the time that best suits you, and we'll look forward to seeing you online. And remember, we'll be teaching you the exact 3 rules that you need to follow. The only way you're going to learn them is by making sure you attend that webinar. So I look forward to seeing you online soon. Bye-bye for now.